Difficulties mastered are opportunities won, meaning, in the midst of difficulty, there lies opportunity, advantage, growth, progress, learning, and the scope for miracles and magic and mystery is also there, not in basically comfort, relaxation, satisfaction, leisure, but exactly in the midst and in the forest, jungle, and land and desert and canyon of difficulties, dangers, complexities, challenges, and oppositions, either from ourselves in our weaknesses, deficiencies, shortcomings that we have to not only recognize, identify, but also rectify, reform, but also in the others' criticisms, judgments, opinions, thoughts directed against us at our authenticity, targeting our clarity, transparency, virtue, distinction, individuality, etc., and also in the societies and external realms, basically opposition, challenge, criticism, and betrayal of ourselves. There also lies difficulty, and that is going to strength, pain, and virtue for ourselves, because suffering, betrayal, and all of the bad things ultimately inevitably strengthens not just the soul but enriches, purifies, refines the whole psyche, psychological structure, and makes absolutely not just a better, wiser, more important, but also a very dangerous, powerful, sovereign kind of human being in one way or another. But that only happens when we achieve awareness of our difficulties and when we also have mastered the ability to master our difficulties, because only when do we master our difficulties that they become and turn themselves into opportunities for growth, progress, learning, advantage, merit, magic, and miracle. Otherwise, everything remains the same. We either recognize difficulties or we continue to hassle, struggle, suffer, but nothing really changes because we have not been able to integrate our shadows, because we have not turned difficulties into opportunities, advantages, and scopes for learning, success, ambition, money, etc., for our internal transformation, for the creation of higher meanings and the development of greater, more powerful, sovereign ambitions, goals, purposes, intentions, conquering one after another, making ourselves richer, more powerful, meaningful, significant, sovereign, virtuous than ever before, because we do not always recognize and overcome and conquer difficulties. We do not recognize the opportunities, advantages, benefits that lay hidden within them either. We just see the difficulty, the pain, but we don't recognize the opportunity that lies, the benefit, the merit, the